Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Behdeiñkhlam festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement. And we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Behdeiñkhlam festival. Thank you very much.